trying to give you a chance to see who all's up here in the cove. That's Pinto. The one that's peeking out over there, that's Nika. There's Jersey. There's Dude. There's Walter. Right there is our Dollop. Right there's Jackson. Jersey. There's Frankie and Saban. Over there is our boy Lucas. Here's Saban. He's talking to me. That's Selvin. John Boy. Well, that's it for right now. All right, what's going on here? Nuggets tearing up poor Sparrow. Oh, get him. Oh, you have your opportunity. Show him some manners, Sparrow. Tell him to quit doing that to you. He's sneak attacking you, ain't he? My little brat. Come on, you can do it. Hop him down there. Ooh, here he comes. Gotcha. Ooh. Hey. Oh. You got him?
He's got like all four